I'm Dr. Morgan, one of the children's doctors here at Royal Bolton Hospital. It can be hard to know when to seek help if your child is unwell, but we want you to know that we're here and to trust your instincts. If you believe your child is seriously unwell, don't delay in seeking help and make sure that you get the help you need. Here are some things you can watch out for. If your child becomes pale, blue, mottled, or becomes very cold to the touch. If they have pauses in their breathing, severe difficulty in breathing, an irregular breathing pattern, or starts grunting. If they have a fit or a seizure. If they become extremely distressed, confused, or unresponsive. Or if they develop a rash that doesn't disappear when you press a glass on it. Don't wait for a rash to appear if you think your child is seriously unwell and bring them for help. In boys, testicular pain also needs urgent attention. For other problems, do remember that you can still contact your GP or NHS 111 for advice, or visit the NHS website. There is also information on our website here for families who may need more support at this difficult time.